Hello friends, in today's topic we are going to focus on punctuators in Python language. We will also discuss why we use punctuators, what is the requirement of punctuators in Python language. But before doing that, let's discuss punctuations in simple English. We all are aware of punctuations. We use punctuations in English grammar. So gain better understandings, let's first discuss why we use punctuations in grammar. Then we'll discuss how these are used in your Python language. Punctuations, normally they are the spaces or conventional signs called punctuation marks, like question marks, full stop. What they do, they give or they put more understanding and correct reading of written text, whether you read it silently or aloud. So punctuation marks provides you the better understand. It describes or pin down the meaning of sentences. So we can say that punctuation marks adds clarity and precision to the writing. It allows the writer to stop, pause or give emphasis to certain parts of the sentences. That means punctuation affects your writing, or you can say that punctuation is like a set of road signs to guide the reader through the ideas expressed in your sentences. This is done in the grammar because your punctuation marks can tell the reader when to slow down, where to speed up, where to stop by breaking up your sentences. They contain and structure your ideas. So punctuations, that's why. So let's discuss what is a punctuator in Python language, how they are used and why they are required. So let's discuss this topic today. So your punctuators, also known as delimiters in Python language. What are punctuators? Punctuators give structure to the code. They are mostly used to define blocks in a program. When you are using a programming, you define a lot of blocks. You use blocks. To define that blocks, you use punctuators. Even a delimiter is a sequence of one or more characters used to specify the boundary between separate, independent regions in the plain text or other data streams. Almost all special characters like period sign, semicolon, comma, all these signs that you are going to use in Python serves as delimiter in Python language. All of the delimiters that you are going to use in Python, I have shown this with the help of a table. Brackets, braces, parentheses, period, colon, comma, single quote, semicolon, equals to, plus equals to, almost all operators, all signs that you are going to use in Python are known as punctuators or delimiters. I am going to explain you the common punctuators so that you can have the better understanding of punctuators. So common punctuator first is colon. It is used to indicate a labeled statement. Let's take an example. Suppose it's normally used in if statements or go to statements. Normally it is used. Suppose I use a statement like A, B, C, then I put colon, then I write few lines over here, then I pass by control back to this statement. Suppose I write go to, this is A, B and C. What will be done? After compiling these lines, the control will go back to this ABC. So this ABC colon is used to indicate the label statement. Next one we are going to use is semicolons. Semicolons, this is very common. You all know this semicolons. Suppose I use a statement like I write print. Suppose I write print, then I write hello. This will print hello. If again I write print this will show an error because you can't type the both two lines in one. But if you want to type these two lines in one, you have to put a semicolon near here. If in this case you will type this will not show you any error. Next one is your asterisk sign. This is normally used to declare the pointers. Suppose I use a variable a. This is a simple variable, but if I write asterisk and then I write a, this becomes pointer to a variable a. That means it is used when we use pointers. This all you will understand when you start doing programming. Next you have done equals to sign. When you use, suppose I used to give a is equals to 5. That means it is used for variable initialization and as an assignment operator. Next one is pound sign. This sign is used when we have to use preprocessor directives. Suppose if you have done C, when we include hash include, when we use stdio.h, we use hash include. That means to include preprocessor directives you use hash sign. Very common is comma. You have done list where you use to separate the elements. Suppose I make a list 1, 2, 5, something like this. This comma sign is used to separate the elements of the list. Brackets, you all know that in arrays or in a list you use brackets. You will braces when you use braces when you use to declare a dictionary. Parentheses are used in tuples. Likewise, I have given one example to make you more understandable. Punctuators, normally punctuator and operators go hand in hand. Like I have given an example, like string 1 is equals to welcome friends. In this case, your assignment operator is equals to your assignment operator and your punctuation is codes. These codes you have used, this will be your punctuators. Okay. Another example is that I have taken a string in which I have written an apple a day keeps the doctor away. If I will print string 1, the output will be an apple a day keeps the doctor away. In second case, what I have done, I have tried to break the string into list. How I have done, I have imported string 1 in which I have written an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Before writing keeps, I have written /n, and before doctor I have put the mark asterisk, and then I have written print resplit asterisk hash comma string 1. In that case, what it will do, it will an apple a day, then it has seen a sign /n. It will make it list, first element of list 1, then /n keeps thus. It will break it into the second element, the doctor away, it will break into the third part. How it is done, I'll explain with the help of a diagram. I have written apple a day, then /n keeps the doctor away. Split the string with multiple delimiters, in which I have taken 2 delimiters, that is /n and asterisk. An apple a day, then /n keeps the doctor away. What it has done, /n, it has before /n, all the text is split into one element, then the second, then the third. So the elements have become like this. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's do this practically. Suppose I write print, then I write hello, and now I print hi. So it has printed hello also and hi also, but if I will return like this, print suppose hello without putting the semicolon mark, if I try to write print hi, it will show you syntax error. Another example that I have given you is, I have already stored this program, that string 1 an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It will print the string like this, and in second case where I have used that, I am telling it that if you get see the sign of semicolon, pipe sign, /n or asterisk, then break it into parts. So let's run this program. What it has done, where it is seen the sign /n, it has an apple a day, an apple a day. Likewise, it has broken your delimiters into elements, that is into list element. So delimiters are nothing but they are used to make the program more understandable, more effective. So that's all we have delimiters today. Thank you so much.